Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something pretty cool on Android devices. It'll pretty much make your device seem a little bit faster than it actually is, but it actually really does help in most cases, and even especially for older phones. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to your About phone, and you'll see something called build number. If it's not under About phone, it might be somewhere else, but it is, you really want to get to just your build number, and when you tap it, you'll actually see in this one it actually says I'm already a developer. But if you tap about 5 or 6 times, it'll tell you you're a few steps away, and then you actually become a developer. And what that means is after you go that, you can get out of here, and you can go down to your setting. And if you see down here, you can see this is the developer options. That option wasn't there before. So you can do a lot of things with the developer options. Let's go into there. There's a lot of cool different settings. Most of them I really wouldn't be touching them because they can do other stuff to your phone. It's mainly for advanced users. But in this one, I'm going to walk you through something pretty cool. And actually, let's just go down and we can go check out the ones on the OnePlus 6T. Okay, so now actually you want to go down to once you see window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. You can actually go to each one of these and you'll see I have one as 0.5 and one as 1 and one as 1. So what this actually does, if I go to the animation, I hit 10. Now if I go in and out, you can see that kind of takes a little bit longer. So if I go back down, I hit the settings. So when you set it to 10, you can see how long it's taking now just to hit it up. And now if I turn this off, you can see how fast that is now because there's no actual animation that's loading. So I like to set to 0.5 because I think it makes it a little bit smoother and you can kind of see something going on. Now if we go to the transition and we hit 10, you can see how long it's taking now just to go back up. Every time you hit a button, it takes absolutely forever. So that's just kind of transitioning between different settings, maybe different apps and stuff like that. So I honestly like to leave it to 0.5 or at least 1 as well. So now the animation one, this is probably the one you're going to want the most if you can set it to 10. So let's go, there's my recent app screen. See how long it takes now? This is me switching between two different apps in real time. Let's see how long that takes. Now if I turn this off, it's going to look really choppy, but that's because there's no animation. Now look, boom, boom. And now I like to set it to 1 just to see an animation. So now look, it's back to normal. But yeah, so that's it. Actually, when you go in and out of apps, you could try it. You can see different apps and test your different settings and stuff like that. If you put them at least all to 0.5, you'll get a much more smoother experience and it'll actually feel a lot faster. And yep, you guys have a good one, alright? Bye.